Good Tuesday, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the in-depth analysis video forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 28th, 2013. And waking up this morning, we can find generally high broken or middle broken cloud cover across the region. Temperatures are generally running in the mid 40s across the lower Hudson Valley and into Connecticut, and they're running around 50 degrees or in the lower 50s in northeastern New Jersey and New York City metropolitan area. JFK coming in at 54 this hour, and Newark at 55. Further south, we have generally clear to broken cloud cover. Again, temperatures running anywhere from around 50 to the lower 50s in southeastern Pennsylvania and central and southern New Jersey, and temperatures are warming into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees across parts of the Delmarva this morning. Latest radar and satellite composite this morning shows the broken high and mid-level cloudiness across the region. This is being aided by an upper-level jet, which is snaking from the Great Lakes region into the northern New Jersey metropolitan area at this time. We do have some small craft advisories for this evening through Wednesday afternoon, and these will be for the Long Island Sound of the New York area for southwesterly winds at around 5 knots, becoming south late this morning and afternoon. A chance of showers early this afternoon, and possible thunderstorm late as well. Visibility is 1 to 3 miles. Tonight, southerly winds at 5 to 10 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet, showers and thunderstorms. Patchy fog developing by morning, visibility is 1 mile or less. Wednesday, south winds at 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon, gust up to 25 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet, patchy fog in the morning, showers and thunderstorms likely mainly in the morning. Wednesday night, southwest winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 25 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet. On Thursday, southwesterly winds 5 to 10 knots, seas 2 to 4 feet, and basically Thursday night and Friday, southwesterly winds at 5 to 10 knots, increasing during the afternoon hours on Friday to 15 knots with seas building to 2 to 4 feet, patchy fog after midnight with visibilities 1 to 3 miles. Saturday, warm sectored southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet, patchy fog in the morning, and patchy fog after midnight too. Visibility is 1 to 3 miles in the morning and 1 to 3 nautical miles after midnight. Winds and seas, of course, will be higher near areas of thunderstorms. Small craft advisories for the New Jersey coastal waters may be issued at some point later this morning for tonight into tomorrow. This morning we find light showers and a few heavier patches of rain, all of this moving to the southeast and east across the region this morning. And this is being aided by isentropic lift and a couple of upper level disturbances along the upper level jet. Rain is forecasted to get in here probably during the early afternoon hours. On the aviational weather deck this morning, we're starting out with generally broken to high-level cloud cover across the region with no precipitation in the region. Terminal forecast for Newark basically calling for southwesterly winds at about 5 knots. Visibilities 6 miles or better. Broken clouds at 25,000 feet. From late this morning, we're going to find a light northeast to southeast flow rather at 7 knots. Visibility 6 to 10 miles. Scattered clouds at 7,000. Broken at 12,000. From late this morning into the afternoon, a light southeast wind again. A light southeast wind again at about 6 to 10 miles. Visibility is better than 6 to 10 miles. Scattered to broken clouds across the region. Overcast at 8,000. Late this afternoon, we'll find some light rain coming in from late this morning into the early afternoon. 4 miles in visibility in that light rain. Overcast at 4,000. There could be a scattered thunderstorm across the region as well late this afternoon. And then from this evening into early tomorrow morning, some light rain and mist. 3 miles. Scattered clouds at 700. Overcast at 5,000 feet. And basically early tomorrow morning, 4 miles in a vicinity of a shower, scattered clouds at 12,000, broken at 5,000, and overcast at 12,000. For the aviational area, showers becoming more widespread from Philadelphia north this morning. Possibly some spotty IFR ceilings by this evening as well. There will be a light wind tending east or southeast this afternoon, except becoming southerly from Millville southward late in the day, south of the warm front. During tonight, MVFR or IFR conditions in stratus and fog from Reading to Allentown to Trenton. MVFR conditions elsewhere with some fog and haze, a chance of a shower, small chance of a thunderstorm, winds gradually veering from the south-southeast to the southwest during the night. And for tomorrow, warm sector to few lingering showers far north early, and then a chance for an afternoon thunderstorm northwest, VFR elsewhere. Thursday through Saturday, basically mostly VFR conditions with some patchy fog possible at night. NAM Wharf composite reflectivity forecast starting out this morning. Here's our high and mid-level cloud cover, and here's the rain getting in from Philadelphia south and into eastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey by later this morning. Some of the rain will be on the light side to moderate and move across the region as a disturbance, a mid-level upper disturbance, moves across the region, and then that rain will begin to move over the forecast region during the afternoon and early evening hours. There's a chance of a thunderstorm across the central and southern portions and even near the ocean ports this evening, late this afternoon and this evening. And then another disturbance here, aided by the mid and upper level jet, moves across southeastern Pennsylvania into the Delmarva region late tonight, and we could have a few thunderstorms with that cluster as well. Basically, some lighter rain and drizzle and cloud cover across the region early tomorrow morning. Fog will probably be patchy at best, and as that rain area moves off the coast, will be warm sectored with a warm front lifting to the north of the region by early tomorrow morning, and a couple of more disturbances north of the frontal boundary getting into the region, probably keeping clouds across the region during the day on Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon, but warm sectored with high and mid-level cloud cover and a warmer southwesterly wind with temperatures rising and skies becoming partly sunny to mostly sunny at times across central and southern New Jersey by tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon. And most regions tomorrow will be mainly dry with some high and mid-level cloud cover as well, and perhaps even a little bit of cumulus. And then we have another short wave moving through along the northern axis of the warm front, and that could bring a cluster of showers and thunderstorms across the region from northeastern Connecticut, southwestern Connecticut into the Hudson Valley, northeastern New Jersey, central and southern New Jersey, down to just north of Philly during Wednesday afternoon. And these could produce some very strong downpours and lightning, and obviously some wind as well, which will be a problem. Then basically warm sectored from Thursday afternoon, Thursday morning actually, through Friday and into the weekend, with the warm front remaining to the north and just washing out, and high pressure building in across the region with sunny skies, increasing humidity, and very, very warm temperatures. Now, with that disturbance coming through tomorrow afternoon, I do want to mention that the NAM is forecasting under the southerly flow here to get temperatures well into the 80s, possibly locally in urban areas close to 90 degrees tomorrow. So there will be plenty of instability and CAPE in the atmosphere, and that will lead to the heavy chances of showers and thunderstorms moving across the region tomorrow afternoon. And as a result, we'll have to be mindful and keep our umbrellas and watchful eyes open for any watches, warnings, or advisories with that. And then the heat wave begins with Thursday afternoon. Lots of sunshine around here. Temperatures getting over the 90-degree mark in urban New Jersey, New York City possibly touching off at 90. The only temperatures which will be cooler in the 80s here will be along the south shore and east ends of Long Island, where there will be onshore southwesterly flow and cooler ocean water temperatures, and across the coastal waters of New Jersey too. And we'll just have to be mindful of the small craft advisories in both these locations during tomorrow afternoon right through early Thursday morning. So that's going to do it for today's edition for GardenStateWeather.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. I'll be back bright and early with you again on Wednesday morning. Make it a great day.